This one is A and B equals ab. 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 Because the first letter is letter A. Ab. Oh. If I'll put the first letter D. Dab. Oh, very good. Cab. Nab. Lab. I-louder mo because Mimis didn't hear your voice. Oh, this one is tab. And then fab. Not fad. B. Fab. Yes. This one is job. 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 This one is dito naman tayo sa A, D. Add. If I'll put the letter B, how to read this? Ba. Bad. And then C. Ka. Cad. This one is D-A-D. Louder. Dad. This one is F-A-D. How to read that? Fad. How about this one? L-A-D. Lad. S-A-D. What? Yes. Sad. Mad. Very good, anak. O, dito naman tayo sa am. How about this? C-A-M. Read mo to. Am. And then, how about this? Cam. D-A-M. Dam. This one is my favorite. H-A-M. What? Again. Cam. This one is dam. And then H, anak. H. Yes, that's my favorite, diba? This one is J-A-M. Jam. Louder mo. Mimis didn't hear you. This one is Yam. Y-A-M. Yam. And then S-A-M. Sam. R-A-M. R. Ram. And then louder. Pam. Very good.